Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen, and today I'm gonna show you how to play Please Donate on Roblox on mobile. So guys, if you want to have a donation stand, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go to the Roblox. So I'm gonna leave this game first, and now from here, you could just simply go ahead and go for more down below over here, and here just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here create. So tap on create and it will redirect you to the Roblox studio. And now from here, go to the three dots on the top left corner of the screen, and you should be able to see here, guys, the creations. So tap on creations, and after that, from here, just simply go ahead and make sure your place is on public. If it's private, you could just simply select the three dots on the top right over here. And now just make it a public, as you can see over here. But currently it is on make private. And now once you have done that, you just simply select your place. Now, once you are here, select the three lines on the top left on the dashboard, and you will have the side tab, and just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here monetization. So here on the monetization tab, guys, just simply go for the passes, and now from here just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here create a pass. So tap on create a pass, and from here just simply provide the name for your pass. So let's say I'm gonna go for test 101, for example, and you could also change the picture over here by tapping on change, and these are the available formats, and you could add a description as well down below. And once you are done, tap on create pass at the bottom, and now from here we have our pass over here, and as you can see, it is currently off sale, as you can see over here. So in order for you to change that, tap on it. Now from here, guys, just simply select the three dots on the dashboard again on the top left. And from here, go for the sales. And you should be able to see here item for sale. So make sure to turn this on and provide a default price. So let's say I'm going to go for 20. And from here, you could also enable the regional pricing. And just simply select save changes once you are done and select proceed. Now, after that, once you have done it, you will just simply go back to the please donate. So I'm gonna go for a please donate game. Now, once you are here, guys, you could just simply go to an empty stand, and you could just simply go ahead and claim it by tapping on stand over here. And I have claimed this booth. And after that, tap edit stand over here. And from here, you should be able to edit your boot over here, have a different text on why you need this donation. And after that, from here, once you have edited your stand, as you can see, we should be able to have our donation over here that we just did earlier, which is 20 Robux. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. And guys, remember that if someone donated to you, it will take at least 7 days for Roblox to approve it. So just simply wait for some time for you to be receive a Roblox from someone. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.